Many people think that making money and being good with money is all about math. They believe that if they could just learn to be better at math, they could make more money and be better with money. But the truth is, it's not about math at all. It's about mindset. It's about your attitude towards money and your relationship with money. If you have a healthy perspective on finance, you will be good with money, no matter your math skills. But if you have an unhealthy mindset about finance, you will struggle with money no matter how good you are at math. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom Channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Many people have negative associations with money and finance, but that doesn't have to be the case. Using some creative techniques, you can see money in a new light and begin developing healthy financial habits. In this video, we will discuss 10 creative ways to develop your mindset about finance. Stay tuned for more. Number 10. Get a personal finance book and read it from cover to cover. A positive mindset is essential for achieving financial success. One way to develop a positive mindset is to educate yourself about personal finance. An excellent unique finance book can provide valuable information and insights about money management, investing, and other topics related to financial well-being. Reading from cover to cover will help you understand the concepts and how they can be applied to your life. In addition, taking the time to read a personal finance book will show that you are serious about making positive changes in your financial life. This commitment can help solidify your resolve and give you the motivation to make lasting changes. So if you're looking for a creative way to develop a positive mindset about finance, pick up a personal finance book and start reading. Number 9. Set some goals for yourself and break them down into achievable steps. Finance can be a complex topic for some people to wrap their minds around. If you're one of those people, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is that there are some things you can do to help yourself develop a healthier relationship with money. One creative way to build your financial mindset is to set some goals for yourself and break them down into achievable steps. For example, if your goal is to save up for a down payment on a house, break that goal down into smaller milestones, like saving $500 by the end of the month. By taking small steps, you'll not only progress towards your goal, but you'll also start to feel more confident and capable when managing your finances. So why not give it a try? You may be surprised at what you can achieve. Number 8. Educate yourself on personal finance. Anyone who has ever struggled with money knows it can be a sensitive subject. Our relationship with money is deeply personal and often complicated for many of us. We may have difficulty discussing money openly, and we may carry a lot of shame and embarrassment around our financial situation. If this sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people have a hard time talking about money. However, one step to improving your financial situation is to develop a healthy mindset about money. One way to do this is to educate yourself on personal finance. Many resources are available, books, websites, podcasts, etc., that can teach you about budgeting, investing, and other financial topics. Learning about ways to save money and grow your wealth is also important. This knowledge can help you make better financial decisions and develop a healthier relationship with money. If you're unsure where to start, talk to a financial advisor or take a personal finance class. The important thing is to get started and move in the right direction. Number 7. Find a support group or online community of people. A support group can be beneficial for financial goal setting and achieving success. Having a group of people who share your same goals and can offer advice and encouragement can help keep you on track. Additionally, online communities can be an excellent resource for information and support. Many forums and websites are dedicated to personal finance, and the members of these communities are usually more than happy to offer helpful advice. If you're feeling stuck or motivated, consider finding a support group or online community to help you develop a positive mindset about finance. Number 6. Make a budget and stick to it. One of the most creative ways to develop your mindset about finance is by making a budget and sticking to it. This will help you stay mindful of your spending habits and make more informed decisions about how to best use your money. Another great way to develop a healthier relationship with money is by tracking your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and make adjustments to ensure that your spending aligns with your goals and values. Finally, be sure to permit yourself to enjoy your money. Too often, we view money as something to be anxious about or feel guilty for spending. However, if you shift your mindset and see money as a tool to enhance your life, you will be well on your way to financial success. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Number 5. Pay off any high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Developing a healthy mindset about finance is crucial to ensuring your financial stability and security. One creative way to develop this positive outlook is to pay off any high-interest debt as quickly as possible. This will save you interest payments, freeing up more money to put towards savings or other financial goals. Additionally, it will help reduce debt stress and anxiety, giving you better peace of mind. Number 4. Create a savings plan and make regular deposits into your account. A savings plan is a great way to develop a healthy mindset about personal finance. By setting aside money regularly, you can build up a nest egg that can be used for unexpected expenses or future goals. Plus, periodically saving can help instill good financial habits that will serve you well in the future. There are a few different ways to approach savings, but a straightforward method is to set up a dedicated savings account and make regular deposits. You can also automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck or arranging for a certain amount of money to be transferred from your checking account each month. No matter how you choose to save, the important thing is to get started and make it a habit. By doing so, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for success. Number 3. Watch documentaries or TED Talks about money and economics. These films and talks can provide valuable insights into how the financial system works and how to make intelligent choices with your money. They can also help to dispel any myths or misconceptions that you may have about money. So if you're looking for a way to improve your relationship with money, why not try it? You may be surprised at how much you learn. Number 2. Stop comparing yourself to other people. It can be tempting to look at what others have and feel like you are falling short. However, it is essential to remember that everyone's financial situation is different. Just because someone else has more money does not mean they are better off. Comparison can lead to feelings of envy and resentment, which can damage the relationships and lead to financial problems down the road. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own financial goals and work towards achieving them. This will help you develop a healthy relationship with money and give you the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Number 1. Forgive yourself for financial losses. Many people struggle with their finances because they dwell on past mistakes. If you have made poor financial decisions, it is essential to forgive yourself and move on. Otherwise, you will continue to make the same mistakes. One creative way to develop a healthy financial mindset is to think of your money as a plant. If you water it and give it sunlight, it will grow. However, if you neglect it, it will wither away. Similarly, you can't expect your financial situation to improve if you make poor financial choices. However, if you make wise decisions and care for your finances, your money will grow. So, start fresh and be more mindful of your financial choices. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and focus on making positive decisions in the future. The bottom line is that you must change how you think about money to change your financial situation. You can start by implementing some of the creative methods outlined in this video, and then continue to challenge yourself to grow and learn more about personal finance. With a little effort, you can develop a positive mindset about finance that will empower you to take control of your financial future. What are you waiting for? Start thinking differently today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.